Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to run a disk check in Windows 11 using the command prompt. So firstly click on start, type here cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command line chk dsk space. Now here type your hard drive letter. In my case it's C. Now semicolon space slash F. So type chkdsk space your hard drive letter. You want to check hard drive letter, so open File Explorer. So here you will see this hard drive icon. So any letter on this icon you will see it's your hard drive letter. Here is the C, and should be in most of case hard drive letter is C. So type here C, then semicolon space slash and F, then press enter. chkdsk can't run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? So click on Y and press enter. So this is the way guys you can run a disk check in Windows 11 using the command prompt. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.